Guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how we can use LeetCode while solving our problems as a beginner. And we'll also talk about which programming language we should be using to solve our problem efficiently, and how we can approach a new problem when we are uh, starting to solve a new question, and what to do when we are stuck with some problem that we are going to discuss in this video. So let's start. So we'll talk about why we need LeetCode and why we want to solve the questions. So since LeetCode is a popular website, and in order to crack the fan companies or any product-based companies which you are targeting, you need to solve multiple questions on LeetCode so that your DSA, data structure and algorithm problem solving, gets better, and you'll be able to do better in the interviews. Usually, you'll get when you apply for the fan companies or any product-based company, they ask for the initial online round. There they ask questions from LeetCode, from DSA, from Geeks or Geeks. So if you do any of these website problems, you will get to know that how to approach the problems. You'll get to practice these kind of things. So this is the LeetCode portal, and you can see this is the homepage of the LeetCode. So here, if you see, this is the problems tab, and if we go inside here, multiple questions are available. So if you're starting as a beginner, you can pick any easy question and start with that, and we have this, we can filter from here as well. So based on the difficulty, we can filter out here. So if you see all the easy questions, you'll see it got sorted. So if we, there are multiple sorting techniques based on the acceptance, based on the question ID also, you can sort it. So this percentage is basically the acceptance criteria, that how much percent this question has been solved once you are submitting it. Let's say if you are submitting it 10 times, and how much times it is getting accepted, that you are submitting the correct answer. So, so out of 10 times, it is getting accepted around 7.5. That's why the percentage is 75, around 75. Okay, so the higher the acceptance means the easier the question is. If you go down, if the lower, if the acceptance percentage is lower, that means it is a comparatively difficult question, even though it is a, even though this is a easy level difficulty. So based on that, you can categorize whether which one to choose and which one to solve. So first, we'll go through this first question. So talking about the programming language, which programming language you need to use. So I personally use C++, but C++ or Java or JavaScript, any programming language you can choose. If you see here, we have multiple programming languages, but preferably you should use C++ and Java, because they have inbuilt libraries for solving these problems. Like C++ have STL, and Java has collections library. STL is nothing but a standard template library. Java has collections. So using that, you'll get to import various data structure and their functions that you can use directly instead of implementing it explicitly every time. Let's check this problem and how to approach this problem. First, we'll have to read this text, like a description of the question, and get to know what is the problem statement here. Once you are done with this problem statement, then you need to go through these examples and see how sometimes even sometimes we don't understand using the description also. So so better approach in that case is to go through the example and see how it is, how the input is given and how the output is based on this explanation that they have given. So there are multiple test examples that they have given, and based on that you can recognize what this description is all about. And here is a constraint. Based on this constraint, you can check what should be the length of the array, what should be the individual element in the array, and what will be the limit of this output target that they are giving, the input that they are giving. And similarly, if you see, you will get the hints also. This is the minor hint. Hint 1 will be the minor hint for that question. Hint 2 will be the slightly deeper hint that you will be getting, and hint 3 will be a little bit more hint that you will be getting. So in total, 3 hints. So we should not directly jump onto the hints and check. First, we should try on our own. If you're not able to solve problem for like 20 to 25 minutes or 30 minutes, then only go for the hints. And so, and let's say if you are still checking the hints, you're not able to check why you are not able to solve the question, then you can check the topics, which data structure and algorithm you need to apply for that. And if still you are not able to go to get your solution, then you can jump onto this editorial tab. So here, if you see, they have given the video solutions also. So video solution might not be available for all the questions because they ask to purchase the premium subscription for that. For this question, it's available, so you can go through that as well. But for most of the solutions, you will get this text based solution. So there will be multiple approaches: brute force approach, and like that there will be a second approach, and then complexity third approach. So all the approaches that you will be able to see here in this section. And this is the solutions tab. Others, what other users have posted here. This is the kind of a community tab that you will be able to see other solution, how they have designed their solution using various programming languages. And this is a summation tab. Once you submit your solution, you will be able to see, like I'll show you here. If we run this, and we can run this solution from here, and if we submit this, you'll be able to see in this submission tab. Okay, this yeah, here it is showing wrong answer, but if you see in the submissions tab, we got the one entry here. Similarly, this is the appearance. If you want a light theme, you can have the light theme as well. So yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.